Druski's hair looks like burned mac and cheese.
Everything don't gotta be Druski, guys.
Okay, you gotta put water in your mouth and try not to laugh, alright?
You mean what?
Everybody, water up,
Druski, don't put up with that disrespect. Maybe Coles will take those back. Shout out to Kevin Hart for releasing Netflix movies every week. Helps me sleep. Let's see Kevin's sitting height to his knee height. Druski is looking quite rotund today. DoorDash giving gifts to Druski for being their top spender. Druski got the face and body build of Thomas the Train.
Y'all know who Thomas the Train is?
Druski Wansi is really a toozy. Also, can I get a shootout for a nut?
Pull up a picture of Thomas the Train. I know who that is. Thomas the Train. Look at that. Look at his face! Look at Thomas the Train! I see it. I ain't gonna lie. You can't see it. I ain't gonna